8 divisibility. Let's What do you mean by divisibility? In previous standard we have already learned about the divisibility test of 2, 5 and 10. First I will recall what do you mean by divisibility. A divisibility rule is a way of determining whether its given integer is divisible by a fixed divisor without performing the division, usually by examining its digits. Means, from the given number with their digits, we will determine this number is divisible by 2, 5, 10, 3, 4, 9, etc. Divisibility. Write the divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10. Divisibility test for 2. If the last digit is 0 or 2. It is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. This is the divisibility test for 2. Now next, 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. And for 10, if the last digit is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. Divisibility test for 2, 5 and 10 you have already learned in previous class. Now see, here some numbers are given. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2, by 5 or by 10? Write them in the empty boxes. For finding this, we will use the divisibility test. First, divisible by 2. Now see, 125. What is the test of divisibility for 2? If the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Now see, here last digit is, now see, I am here writing for 2. If last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For 5, 0 and 5, and for 10 only 0. This is divisibility of test for 2. Last digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For 5, 0 and 5, and for 10, 0. Now see, first number is 125. Last digit is 5. Then this number is divisible by 5. Means you can write here 125 number. Next, 364. Last digit is 4. 4 means here this number is divisible by 2. Now write down here 364. Next, 475. Last digit is 5. Means this number is divisible by 5. 475. Next, 750. Last digit is 0. See, last digit is 0. Means this number is divisible by 10. 750. On the similar way, you can find out the remaining numbers which is divisible by 2, 5 or 10. Now, we will learn. See here, one table is given. Numbers, sum of the digits of the numbers. Is the number divisible by 3 and is the given number is divisible by 3. Sum is divisible by 3 and number is divisible by 3. First is 63. Now do the addition of its digits. 6 plus 3, addition is 9. Now 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, then you can do here tick mark. Right. And 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. See, the sum of the divisible by 3. Their sum is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes. And this given number is divisible by 3. Means 63 is divisible by 3. Yes. Now second, 872. Next number is 872. Now addition of 8, 7 and 2 means 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Now 17 is divisible by 3? No. Then do the cross mark. Next column, is the given number is divisible by 3? Means 872 is divisible by 3? No. Similarly for next number 91, 9 plus 1, 10. Now 10 is divisible by 3? No. 91 is divisible by 3? No. You can now next 552. Now do the addition of all the digits. 5 plus 5 plus 2. Addition is 12. Now 12 is divisible by 3? Yes. 552 is divisible by 3? Yes. On the similar way, you can do for the next two numbers also. Now, from this table, we conclude that divisibility test for 3. What is the divisibility test for 3? If the sum of the digit in the number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now, you can observe here. Sum is divisible by 3? Yes. Then that number is also divisible by 3. Here also, sum is divisible by 3? Yes. Then that number is also divisible by 3. If sum is not divisible by 3, then that number is also not divisible by 3. Means our conclusion is that if the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. This is the divisibility test for 3. You can learn this divisibility test. Now here I have given you 5 numbers 81, 52, 195, 512 and 8,522. You can tell me this number is divisible by 3 or not. For this you can use the divisibility test of 3.